Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new, and welcome to another Your Creative Studio unboxing. I've been doing these unboxings for Your Creative Studio for a little over a year now. So if you haven't seen one of my unboxing videos, I'm going to quickly explain what it is. It's a monthly subscription box filled with vintage themed stationery and supplies that you can use in journaling, scrapbooking, any sort of memory keeping or planning, especially if you love like vintage themed elements or stationery, then this box is perfect for that. So from what I understand, this is the December box. I got it a few weeks ago and I just haven't had time to film it for you guys, but I'm going to be doing that now. And I did already open up the box just to save some time, but from what I understand, there was a little bit of a delay with shipping during the holidays, and with the whole like supply chain and shipping crisis, there was some a little bit of a delay. So let's get started. Each box comes with a little thank you card from Your Creative Studio, and I like to save these to use as ephemera in my journals. This is a quote by Nathaniel Hawthorne, and it has a butterfly on it, so I'm assuming the theme of this box is going to be centered around butterflies, which I'm really excited for. So let's go ahead and open it up, and each box does come wrapped in some beautiful themed paper, vintage themed paper that you can also save. I have so much of this stuff, I like to save it and use in my junk journals. So let's go ahead and get started. We have some butterfly, it looks like stickers. So those are really beautiful. It looks like you get 40 different butterfly stickers in here. These look like, oh, this is a bookmark. Really cute. My heart flutters with love. I also like to save the packaging that some of these things come in. Like this, I would just put some double-sided tape on this and then stick it in my junk journal and use it as a tuck spot for different pieces of ephemera, like a photo collage that you get in one of those like photo booths, like the long strip would be perfect to put in something like this. So I do like to save the packaging as well. And let's see what we have in here. These look like little die-cut butterflies. I'm not sure if these are stickers or not, but lots of different butterflies. And they're kind of thick, so let me actually see if these are stickers or not. Okay, so these aren't stickers, they're just butterfly die cuts. So really cute. And we have a stamp, a butterfly stamp. Usually in every Your Creative Studio box, there will be a stamp, at least all of the ones that I've unboxed so far. In the last year, they've all had a stamp or two in them. So again, I would save this packaging for use in my junk journal and just use it as a little tuck spot. So we have that. Looks like another cling stamp. These ones are a little bit smaller. So we have some smaller butterflies. So here's all three of the stamps. So small, medium, and large. Really cute, love that. We have a butterfly sticky note. This is so cute. Okay. So it's just a little pad of butterfly sticky notes. This is a box of stickers, and I love the box that it comes in. It looks like one of those little match boxes. So these are all different kinds of labels. These look awesome when you layer them. Like I like to layer these in my journals, and I also like to use them as labels. I have a plant journal, so I'll use these for writing the name of the plant on them. So these are really cute, and I love the little box that they're stored in. So I'll just go ahead and put those back in there. And this looks like a bunch of little papers that you can use for collaging. I love how it is packaged. I just like all of these little fine details like this. That adds just like that special look to it. So we have a bunch of different vintage copies of different things. And this is in a, I don't think any of these are in English, but I think that's really cool. So definitely you could use these and collage them, maybe put a die cut, maybe one of the die cuts in front of here, maybe not that one, but you could decorate it, maybe add some distressed inking around these white edges, and then layer it with maybe one of those labels as well, and kind of make a little piece of ephemera. So that's what I would do with something like this. So these are really, really neat. And the paper feels very like worn. So that's what we have here. I'll try to put this back on. Oops. Okay, I'm just gonna set that aside for later. And we have some a big lot of actually some die cut ephemera. I don't think I've ever seen this much in one package before. That's really cool. Oh, these are awesome. Okay, so these are big pieces of die cut ephemera, and it looks like there's 3 of each style in here. That's really nice. I like that a lot. And it's on very like thick cardstock. Almost like a chipboard. It's not quite a chipboard. I would say like super heavy cardstock for these. So this is awesome. A bunch of butterfly die cut ephemera. Oh, I love these. If they are the stickers, then I'm going to be super excited. I love stamps that are also stickers, like these vintage theme stamps. I have quite a collection of them, and they're just like my favorite thing. I just think they're so fun to use in journaling. Oops. Okay. So we have a bunch of themed butterfly and insect little postage stamps, vintage theme postage stamps. So let me see if these are actually stickers or if you have to use like a tape runner. Looks like these are stickers, which is awesome. These are always a favorite of mine. And then I like to also, again, use like the packaging. This looks like a vintage themed postcard. So I would actually save this as well, even though it's like part of like the packaging. I would save it and use it in my junk journals to decorate. And then we have some note cards, notes, memo pad, or papers. Okay, so these are, it looks like 4. You get 4 of each of these butterfly scrapbooking papers. Ooh, this one's really pretty. I really like that one. And I have a bunch of other butterfly themed things that I think I got at like Dollar Tree that I could pair with these. I could make a whole butterfly junk journal out of this box and some of the things that I have. So these are really pretty. Then we have a sticker sheet of butterflies. And then, oh, this looks like handmade paper. Has that natural like seedy and leaf. And yeah, it's really delicate paper. I love the feel of like handmade paper. So you get 5 pieces of this really delicate, like natural handmade looking paper. I love this. I love the feel of it. It's almost like a fabric feel to it, but it's very delicate and very thin that you can, I mean, you can kind of see through it. So, all right, so that was everything for the December box. So let's do a quick recap. I got 5 pieces of this natural themed paper, and then I got a bookmark. I got a bunch of butterfly die cuts, small die cuts. I got a 40-pack of clear butterfly stickers, another sticker sheet, some vintage themed labels, sticker labels, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that before. I got some large butterfly die cuts, so got those. I got a bunch of these scrapbooking papers that are vintage themed with charts, graphs, looks like maybe some ledgers as well. Got a bunch of those, some butterfly sticky notes, a small, medium, and large rubber butterfly stamps, some butterfly scrapbooking papers on cardstock. So got those. And then my favorite always, some vintage themed stamps with insects and butterflies. All right, guys, so that's everything for this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I will be sure to link Your Creative Studio's website down in the description box if you're interested in purchasing a box for yourself. Just keep in mind that these subscription boxes do tend to sell out very quickly, so I just recommend ordering a month ahead for the next month's subscription box if you're interested. And then I'll also link other Your Creative Studio unboxing videos that I've done in the past down below as well, just in case you want to check out maybe a few more before deciding if this is right for you. But thank you guys so much for watching and supporting this channel. It means so much to me. and I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care.